Looking for fun projects for your kids to do at home? Projects so intriguing and fun that you'll want to do them too? Well, around here, we love the look on someone's face when they're caught up in an interesting, hands-on project they've never done before. Like making homemade tie-dye, or building a catapult, or growing their very own crystal farm. Here at the Science Zone, we have fun, hands-on science lessons for you to download and do with your kids. These projects are not only really fun to do, but our official Science Zone educators include explanations about what makes your project fly, fling, squirt, fizz, crystallize, or explode. How do you get your hands on this hands-on science excitement? We will send you a downloadable science lesson complete with project video, step-by-step instructions, all sorts of sciencey goodness as our way of saying thank you.